United Tiprasa Forum has officially launched a new website called Lam Phunuknai Trust. UTF President Sajal Devarma launched a new website on Sunday at UTF office of Khorang Complex, Nandanagar, Agartala. The website was created by Elson Devarma, and on this day, Elson Devarma was facilitated in the website launching program. Later, speaking in the launching program, UTF President Sajal Devarma said that since the starting of the UTF, the page was created only in Facebook and it was posted with only in Khorang language, which is not suitable for everyone. So in order to solve such problem, this new website called Lam Phunuknai Trust was launched by UTF officially on Sunday.
Hambai tini orang payment jepane joto lukurokna hambai narokna makanya utang karuan bagai sini short notice narok pay shop bagai kia hambai sing tini orang kutung lai mani to sini UTF ni je ketal website Lam Phunuknai Trust sing je tamne parent organization ini ketal website na sing tini launch kaya lagi ni officially aban purpose ni sing sini kutung lai mani angka sing already sini website na launch klaika officially narok nukli man baika chini website ni bising tu chini actually nahar mungke sing je luku hamkarni samung phai tongo 2017 ni sini o samung rokna sing tini sik jorate just Facebook o simi sing manai tongai mani tayabo kokbrok bai sini sing manai tongai mani ya kokbrok tu joto borok pori bumaya buci bumaya abon bagai jara kokbrok buci arokni bagai tai NGO ni ya pangbusuk details ke samungna naina mucunai rokni bagai sing kaisa manai to tubui phaidani nango angka abono sini website through sing tubui phaika sini website obosuru sini NGO ni borok rok sini habui naitheng ba borok simi politheng aboni bagai ya luku hamprani samungo jara interested abo hai borok rok bagai khaklayo sini je website omo useful ngai hne tamoi hne oro luku hamprani samung sing 2017 jim je khalai pemeni A to Z data story hisabe sing joto each and every project no sing oro story hisabe sing danai abo starting kuba sing A to Z to daime akho 25-30 ta moto sing dalai rakha story je project no abono kare bad baki joto data sing almost dabai kha mukhe osamung rokno porikha angke naikha angke jara obai samuro interested boro buchinai je obai samurokno bahike khlainani nang boron simi chengnani nang tamo asoi bisoi even almost simia kaisa sing Tripura to kobang NGO khlaidi happen NGO ni documentation rokno tei apoi kobang borok rok sing sabi man laya documentation boron simi chengnai tamo tong bahike sing abrok no tei sing website sing information rekha je kaisa NGO ni documentation boron simi chengnai borok thage Chini NGO ni tamo document to bo document ni tamo video to sing abo details sini website sing bujukna chesta khaike abo simia sini regular donor jara sing donate khlai tongai asik din sing jepro project wise donation collect khlayo apor simi sing borok ni bung no borok list no sing sini Facebook reiman kintu overall pulani simi tinis ku jara sing donate khlainai rokni donor rokni data sing puro jaga khepai bai angni tongman sini website ni through the sing pura data no ekdom 27 September 2017 ni sini UTF সংসাজাক মানে দিন ni simi tinisek jorate singna donate khlainai joto donor rokni each and every donation even 20 paisa khoksa rokni donation no porjonto sing sini donation list
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.